Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to unbox one of my present. It's just arrived. It's from KORS. Actually, my birthday was November 8th, and then on November 9th, we went to Chadstone, and we went to KORS shop to find this one because I've been checking this online, and then I wanted to buy this through the shop because I want to see it myself first, or try it on first before buying it. But then I end up ordering it online because they don't have it there. And then that guy from KORS, he said they will just call me or message me if they have the stocks, because they have bunch of new stocks which are coming on the, that was Tuesday. I went there on Friday, but then I was thinking that on Friday they don't have it yet, so I just go to KORS Global and I ordered this one online because I was like, maybe they don't really have it there, so hopefully it will fit because I really like this. You ready, guys? Are you ready? Ta-da! Still in the box. Okay. Ow. Oh! No way. So here is the box. Here is the box. So ayan, nagpicture lang. I just have to take a photo. As I have said, as I have said, I have to order this one online because I couldn't find it in store here in Melbourne. So I was thinking that maybe I could get it from the, I'll just order it there. So they have this. KORS, super gorgeous. It's a sample. It's a sample. They have now scents. So you guys, if you wanna buy some scents, KORS have scents now. You try that on, and now we have to unbox this one. Are you ready, Baba? Oh my god, guys, it's so nice. Look! Finally! Got it! Oh my god! It's so nice. As you could see, look at this. This is so nice. This is my first MK shoes. So this is size 36. I don't know if it fits. Oh my god. It doesn't seem like it fits on me. Oh my god, that's so nice. Oh my god. It is very nice. Look at that, guys. It says MK here. Yeah, there, MK. And the bottom. Yeah, it's so nice. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I'm so happy with this. So when you buy online, like bags from Michael Kors, or any luxury stuff, it always comes like this, and they don't deliver regular delivery. It always DHL, um, FedEx, or the fast truck. I guess they have that. They use that one, not a regular EU post. That's how they are. Look! Oh my god! So nice. Okay. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. This is it. That's it. This is just my Michael Kors. My baby is just playing down there. So yeah. Oh my god, it's so nice, so lovely. Thank you, thank you. Thank you so much to my sponsor. I have my sponsor for this. Thank you so much. Thank you. As always, you always spoils me with everything. Thank you so much. Finally, I got your shoes. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, guys. It's me again, your friend Noe. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, or hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos. I still have more videos to upload regarding my some of my presents on my 31st birthday. So thank you so much, and please don't forget, if don't hesitate to comment down below if you have something to advise or request. Thank you so much for watching. God bless us all. Bye.